Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in granite and it looks great. You do have the chrome accenting on your grille up front here with that Jeep badging. You do also have bi-xenon HID headlights. They're very bright right there. You do have your fog lights down there as well. And coming around the side here we do have our 20-inch rims with our Bridgestone brand tires. They look great. Those rims look very nice, and there's still lots of tread left on the tires as well. You do have your heated exterior mirrors here with your turning signals on them, and they are in chrome as well, giving it a very nice look. Coming all the way around to the back, you do got that limited badging in the Jeep and the 4x4, as well as you got your parking sensors down there, and you do have your backup camera right under there. Now to open it up, all we gotta do is press this, and it is an automatic open right there. Looks fantastic. You don't have to fumble around with it. Now there is lots of room back here. It is very soft as well, and you got these metal pieces to help it support. And you can lift this guy up here, and you do have your spare tire under there if you did ever need it. You also have some storage there and an emergency light there. Also, to close it up, all you gotta do is press this button right here, and it closes right up for us. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 presses to unlock all the doors, 1 press to lock them. That opens up the trunk, and this one does activate your remote start. Always nice in the winter, gets it nice and warm for you. You don't have to go outside in the gross, harsh weather. Now it also comes with proximity keyless entry, so if you have the key on your person, all you gotta do is put your hand in there and it will unlock for you. You also got the button there if you did want to do it that way. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right there. Bit of chrome accenting on the handle. Nice little wood finish here. Handle here, and it is a leather right here. Very nice to put your arm on. You do also have some storage down here with a water bottle holder. You do have your seat memory right there. Very nice interior in here. It is leather as well with that white stitching. Gives it a very nice look. You do also have the controls over your seats here, so the backward and the forward and the tilt, as well as the lumbar support there. And right over here we do have our controls over our lights. So we have our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as if you pushed in, you do have your fog lights, and that one is your in-cabin light control there. And right here we do have the controls over our turning signals, high beams, and windshield wipers. Okay, let's start up now. So key is in the cup holder. Just gotta put our foot on the brake and press the button. It starts right up. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have the temperature outside, what gear we're in, and that the vehicle only has 10,000 kilometers. That's pretty much nothing. You can also switch that around to your vehicle info, your fuel economy, your trip A, your stop-start options, your audio, messages, screen setup, and back to your speedometer. Now that is controlled from your steering wheel right here, as well as you have your Bluetooth options here, horn in the center, and your cruise control options. And then you also have these paddle shifters here, which are very nice if you want to go into manual mode. Around the back of the steering wheel here, you do have a volume up and down, as well as a source changer. And on the other side, there is a channel changer. And right in the center here, we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect. So you do have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM, as well as your media devices here if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, Bluetooth, or SD card. You have your controls over your heated and vented seats here and your heated steering wheel. Your Uconnect apps right there. Then you also have your climate control here. You do have a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You have your navigation here, and if you hit view map, you can see that we are on Rec Place, of course. Then you do also have your phone options here if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. Then down here, we do have all sorts of different options. We have our volume up and down with our mute, screen off, hazard lights, back button, and browser there. AC, circulation, heat up and down, power off auto, then the heat and cold there as well. Then you have your front and rear defrost, park sensors, your stop start, your eco, sport mode, and you also have your traction control there. Right here we can press this button like that. That opens right up, and then we do have our SD card slot in there, USB and aux cord all hanging out there. We do have our gear shift right here and some cup holders, and when we are on reverse we do have the ever useful backup camera. Now we also have this guy, which is our controls over a 4-wheel low, as well as our downhill park assist. And then you do have this guy, which changes how you drive, so you just twist it and then change it from snow mode, sand, auto, mud, and rock, and then that changes how it drives a little bit, helps you in those situations. You also have your armrest here. You got a top layer as well as a bottom layer, lots of room in there. And then over here we do have a locking glove box with our owner's manual inside of it. Tons of room in there as well. You do also have the controls over your sunroof here and your universal garage door opener right there. And then right here is our sunglass holder. You do have a dual pane sunroof there too, very large, lets in tons of light, and it looks fantastic. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now on the door here, you do have the control over your windows. You have a bit of that chrome accenting and a wood finish here. Handle here, nice leather, put your arm on, and a place for a water bottle down there. Leather back here as well, looks fantastic, feels great. You can fold that down, you got a cup holder and some armrests. As well, you do have this guy over here, which is the seat warmers for back here, and some USB plugins for whoever's back here to charge their phones. You can also fold this down, and you got a flat surface to put whatever you might want on it. And there's our 3.6 liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.